we're here at the bowling center. It's kind of a still, I'm sleepy because I slept at around 3 in the morning, and I have to wake up at 8:50, get showered, do 1, 2, 3. Then we come here as a group. We are the welfare committee for our company. You can see me with the other ladies there. So we are just waiting for the system to be open. We have until, what time? Until 11. We're here until 11. Then after that, we have to go back because I have an afternoon shift, not enough time to rest. But what do? Let's do some little bit of bowling. As usual, we have to wake up very early, prepare. Some are coming from night shift, some are from morning shift. And because we love to bowl, these are our inspectors. Those are from HMC, our representatives. You can see we are just full in the morning. I slept at 3 and I have to wake up at 8:50, prepare myself. This is the reception, main reception. You can see they have their rules. It's like my 6th time coming here. It's like my 6th time.
Which country are you from?
Me? Just guess.
Which country are you from?
Just guess. Yeah. Do the guessing. Just do the guessing. Which country might?
From where it is from? Kenya?
Not really.
Nigeria?
No. The Nigerians have this kind of like them to guess.
But the way you talk,
They have to register.
Call them.
So this is our teams. We are 3 teams only because this time we are very few. So this is our team. If you step on the line, you are out. You step on the line, you are out. Wow! Woo! It's never easy to hit the one.
Yeah,
Let's see.
I want to use the...
Wow! That was nice. Let's see, Gemma. Hey!
What is that?
Wow.
It was off.
Make sure you don't step on the line. You try.
Okay.
Good try. No power. So far, this is the standing. You have to make sure Fatima doesn't defeat me, guys, because I'm not going to pay. Eh? Wow. Ow! Messi ile time ndio si kucheza ile time. Ndio kwa maana ile time si kucheza yeye. Ukiscore zote, haya, cheza ingine. Ni bado ni wewe.
Cheza ingine. Ndio umeshikanisha.
Good one.
Wait.
1 hour is 35. How many people?
The one who fits.
So you have there.
I not it. You didn't get mine.
No, you will put bad eyes.
Like serious?
Like this.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye. Thank you for coming.
Bye, 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 bye.
For disturbing.
Say bye. Say bye. Bye, Eden.
Bye. Bye.
See you next time. See you next time, guys. Let's play next time. Bye. Thank you so much for coming.